Good day, Officer Moore. I hope this letter finds you well. I am writing to formally notify you of my intention to initiate legal proceedings against you in small claims court for the falsification of body cam video, which resulted in an unjust outcome during my DWI trial on January 24, 2023. It is with great concern and disappointment that I bring this matter to your attention. As a responsible citizen, I have always had faith in the justice system and held law enforcement officers in high regard. However, the evidence that has come to light suggests a serious breach of trust and the manipulation of crucial video evidence that directly impacted my case. During the aforementioned trial, the body cam footage provided by your department was presented as evidence against me. Subsequent investigation and analysis, however, have uncovered significant discrepancies and irregularities in the video, raising questions regarding its authenticity and integrity. These findings have led me to believe that the video was falsified, and as a result, I was unjustly convicted. The consequences of this falsification have had a profound impact on my life, both personally and professionally. The wrongful conviction has tarnished my reputation, caused severe emotional distress, and resulted in the imposition of penalties that I do not deserve. I firmly believe that the actions taken by you, as the responsible officer overseeing the body cam footage, have violated my rights and undermined the principles of justice. I would like to request that you fully cooperate with any subsequent investigation and legal proceedings that arise from this matter. It is my sincere hope that this situation can be resolved in an amicable manner and that we can seek a just and fair resolution outside the court system. However, if necessary, I am prepared to pursue my legal rights and seek appropriate compensation for the damages I have suffered. Please consider this letter as my formal notice of intent to sue. I kindly request that you acknowledge receipt of this letter within 10 business days and provide a written response outlining your position on the matter. I trust that you understand the gravity of this situation and the importance of upholding justice and accountability within our law enforcement agencies. I look forward to our future encounters. I am Madam Scientist.